Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here. It's called Avangate, and now known as To Checkout, is a digital commerce platform that provides solutions for software and digital product sales. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Avangate or avangate.com on Google or any other browser that you prefer. So this is the different results I got after my search. I have the official site over here and some similar websites, and this is the Avangate right now, and their page on Facebook, and yeah, some similar websites. So we need the official site. It's not this one, but it's this one, because this one is the name of now of the Avangates. So once you click on it, you go to the home page or the present page of the websites. You can find some key features and okay, let's click on okay, and some others informations and services. We need now, or we will come back to this page later after I show you how to sign up and how to create a new account in Avangate. You need simply to head on over to this green button over here and do one click on sign up. And we have these 3 steps over here that we need to fill, like the first name. Okay, I have okay, let's just complete them. Okay, I complete by my Gmail. The all information are there: the first name, the last name, the email address. Okay, I will do the company name by myself. And for the address 1 and the address 2, this one is obligatory, this one is optional. The city and the zip code, the zip postal code, or the select of the country are obligatory. For this question here, that where did you hear about us, you need just to select the answer over here. Do you hear about Avangate on online search, or from a friend who's already doing businesses with Avangate, or so from any other place? You will choose the right answer for you. I will click on this one, and after that click on next. So after that we go to the next step. The second one is about business information. We need to enter the website of our cell. And we need to choose the promotion method, content and review, coupon and discount, display and retargeting, email marketing, and other. Okay, I will choose this one, social media. These answers over here is dependent to you. Okay, it's not obligatory to do the same answers of me. For the business domain, you will choose your business domain. And for the monthly sale volume, you need to choose that you don't know yet, or up to $100 per month, or between $100 and $500 per month, or between $500 and $100 per month, or and more. Okay, I don't know yet. If you want to share your contact data with a software vendor, you will click on this one. If you don't want, you can just skip it. And for the subscribe me to the affiliate newsletter, you can just click on it to subscribe you to the affiliate newsletter. Now you need just to click on start selling. So for the third step is thank you for signing up, and some others here. And now this should be sent an email at for us to confirm the signing up. Let's check out our email. So now to complete our registration, we need to click to the following URL like you see with me here. Let's click on the link and click on OK over here. Now we create the account successfully. Let's go to the Avangate affiliate network to explain to you the different key features and all the services that this website is present to you. So let me tell you something very important in the website is about the digital commerce platform. Avangate, or the tool checkout, offers a comprehensive platform for selling digital products and subscription. It provides tools and functionalities for product catalog management, pricing and packaging, global payments, order management and customer support. If you want to just start selling, you need just to click over here and start to sell your products. And like you see with me here, this one over here, that about them, you can find contact us. This website is present to you the global customer support. Avangate or to checkout provide customer support services to assist merchants and their customers. This includes support for payment related inquiries, subscriptions, management, order fulfillment and technical issue. And for the resources, we have these choices over here. You can choose data sheets, and yeah, this one over here, find all the data sheets on the website Avangate or to checkout. You need just to click on download to get the data sheet that it's like you. And for the resource, we have also the ebooks, and here's some results of the ebooks and the resources. You need just to click on download to download the white paper that it's like you. And also we have here the case studies, and also the fraud prevention and risk management. The platform incorporates fraud prevention mechanism and risk management tools to protect merchants from fraudulent transactions. It uses advanced algorithm and risk assessment techniques to identify and mitigate potential fraud risk. And this is also the results for the case studies. You need just to read them from over here, choose one and read all the information about it. And for the Market Plus, you will find all the items and the person who sells with the price and the reduction or the commission. And here you can choose the kind of the item that you want to see in the Market Plus or the category, like example audio and video, business and finance, home education, internet, multimedia and design, utilities or security, web authoring, software training and more. So guys, this is our video today. I hope you like it and I hope you understand me well. So if you like the video, please follow for more and subscribe me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you're still in good health until that time.